Hello, this is Shak, Deputy Director at Region 9 Economic Development District. Today, I would like to share some information with homeowners evacuated during the Ferris Fire. If you were evacuated because of the Ferris Fire, your homeowners or renter's insurance may help reimburse some of the expenses you incurred, even though, fortunately, we do not currently believe any structures were lost. Many insurance policies include additional living expense coverage, commonly called ALE. This coverage is intended to help with the extra costs you face when you cannot safely stay in your home because of a covered event. Depending on your policy, ALE may help cover expenses such as a hotel or temporary rental, additional meal costs, extra mileage or transportation, pet boarding, laundry, moving, or storage. The important thing to understand is that ALE generally covers expenses above what you would normally spend. For example, it may cover the additional cost of eating at restaurants while staying somewhere without a kitchen, not your entire normal food budget. Some policies may also provide coverage when a government authority orders residents to evacuate because of a nearby wildfire, even if the home itself is not damaged. This is sometimes found under a provision called civil authority or prohibited use coverage. Coverage varies by policy, and some policies have waiting periods, time limits, dollar limits, or other conditions. A voluntary evacuation or pre-evacuation notice may also be treated differently from a mandatory evacuation order. If you were evacuated during the Ferris Fire, contact your insurance company or agent as soon as possible. Ask specifically whether your policy includes additional living expense coverage and whether the evacuation qualifies under its civil authority provision. Keep your evacuation notices and all receipts for lodging, meals, fuel, pet care, and other additional expenses. Ask the insurance company to explain your coverage and any limitations in writing. Even if your home was not damaged, it is worth making the call. This is general information. Your eligibility will depend on the language of your individual insurance policy.